Moko Rowere mathuruka koro wuok tung' mosuo kod piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza magiwachoni ok osebedo kadeo midhiero machando ganda jokenya. Rawerego e bwo riwruok mong'ere kaka Taifa Mpya ne twak gi jofwambo. Gisiemo wang' jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo ne ni odino fuok moko mosebedo kamienje piny owacho mare. Bende gikwayo piny owacho mondo oneni ochiwo thuolo makare mar ndiko jorit ombulu motelo ne yiero 2027. Ne gisingo bende tiyo kod mbii margi kochakre higa manyien mane oni kitelo mapacho kae olokore.
Anybody, feel free to answer. Sir.
You cannot tell us as a president that your only solution of solving unemployment is exporting your most educated labor force. And then you're telling us you want to make us Singapore. Singapore industrialized their country. They solved unemployment for their youth inside the country, not outside the country. You're taking us for cheap labor in Arabic countries so that you can get some kickback. We are not going to accept this. A lot of startups have failed this year. CS is telling us to create employment for ourselves when the MPs in parliament are coming up with policies that are not supporting startups.
He began with bottom up, then he failed. He came with the hustler slogan, then he failed. Now, if he has failed to deliver bottom up and hustler slogan, how will he deliver us to become Singapore? We can't be Singapore, yet our resources are being mismanaged. We can't be Singapore, yet we have corrupt leaders in these offices. So, for us to be Singapore, all these young people here, we are coming for those offices and we are going to take that power.
Let our answer be clear. We rise, we organize, we lead. The future is not coming. The future is not here. It belongs to us.
What we are demanding for, that IEBC to roll out a mass voter registration. And when they roll out that, I can assure you that in the next 1 month, we are going to see all those numbers rising.